Hey YouTubers, here's my brother-in-law's truck. It's a little VW truck. It's got a rabbit front end and a pickup rear end. It's a diesel. Gets around 55 miles to the gallon. I'm doing a cold start on it here. So we're going to throw the keys in it. Those glow plugs to go. Gotta shut that off. People won't be happy if that's playing. Got the tachometer there. Do. Probably good to go now. It's not too terribly cold. It's actually pretty toasty today. So little shift knob there. Sounds good. Let it warm up a little bit before I take off in it, but that's great. Engine's really clean. It's actually been just recently rebuilt. It's got about 6,000 miles, I think. There's two different things. There's one with about 6,000 miles on it, and one with about 30,000. I think one of the two. I know one of the two is the rebuild. So. The only rust on the truck and we're going to take care of it, because that's not good that it's on the shock tower or the strut tower. So got the seat belts replaced in it. Seat belts that the guy that we bought it from had the wrong seat belts in it. Went down to the junkyard and pulled some seat belts out of a 1980 something Rabbit. So yeah, one's good. Kill. Actually gonna do another real quick video here. I got a rag for the shifter. The shifter gets really hot. I'm just going to go through the shift pattern. I don't know if a lot of YouTubers know the shift pattern in a VW. I don't know if it's the same with the newer VWs, but the old VWs are like this. At least this is anyways. I believe my bus is the same way. But you push down. Yeah, that's actually, it's down. Little to the left and up is first. Now, if you go down, push it more this way and it kind of rolls over, that's reverse. So there's first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. And third, fourth, and fifth, you don't have to push it down. Second, it kind of seems that way. And then once it goes into third, it kind of pops out. So just thought that'd be interesting to some of you. Cool.